Don't you guys always wonder how McDonald's make that gooey good apple pie? Well, I'm going to try to recreate it using this dumpling maker I got from Antand. So I want to thank today's sponsors for this dumpling maker to make miniature McDonald's apple pies. This is a 2-in-1 dumpling maker, so you could do dumplings on both sides. As you can see here at the bottom, the base is curved and those to fit the plates for each side. You just had to slide the knob open and you are ready to press. This dumpling maker comes with stainless steel blades and it's a non-slip at the bottom, so you have to worry about it sliding as you make the dumplings. Guys, don't forget, use the correct skin. Mine was a little bit. I tried to trim it down, but try to use skins that are dumplings or maybe 3-inch skins. I gave it an extra press since I put so many apples in this little dumpling. This thing is great for empanadas, dumplings, wontons, whatever you want to do. But I figured, let me recreate McDonald's apple pies. So I figured, let me do 2 fillings. I did one with icing and one with cinnamon sugar, and they came out so good, guys. I love this thing.